Hello and welcome. Friends, I showed you how to make the hot CheetosBomb.com flour tortillas, and if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna put the link in the description area and at the end of the video. But now I'm gonna show you how to put together a hot Cheeto burrito. So if you're ready, let me show you. Okay friends, if it gets a little bit loud, I'm sorry, but I have about 3 burners on right now. It's going down. We're hungry. You hungry? Let's do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your choice of protein. I'm gonna be using chicken today. So I'm gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes, and I'm just gonna mix it around when I need to, and then I'll show you guys my next step. Okay, it's been a little bit over 2 minutes, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasoning blend, which you guys can find in the description area. Okay? So now I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the chicken. It should take us about, I want to say 3 or 4 minutes because I chopped up my chicken breast really, really thin. So I just currently have it on a medium heat and I'm just going to finish cooking it. To your hot pan and your hot oil, you want to add your garlic. I want to laugh at whatever you're laughing at. Me? Yeah, that's so funny. Girl, you know I'm always laughing at myself. So you're going to want to move quickly. Depending on how hot your pan is, that's how fast your garlic is going to start burning. All you want to do is wait for that good smell from your garlic to add your rice, okay? So once you get a lot of them that turn golden, just like that, you're ready to add your rice. If my rice looks a little sticky, it's because it's Cal Rose rice. You guys know the Grizzlies Korean, so we gotta hook them up. Don't lie, girl, that man will eat forbidden rice, long grain rice, short grain, risotto. Okay. So here's where the fun's gonna happen, and I want you guys to use black pepper for this if you like it. If you don't, go ahead and use the white pepper, but black is what's gonna give you the flavor for this. Oh yeah! So you're gonna add pepper to taste. And I do go ham on it. When you add your pepper, you wanna add your butter. Okay? That's also to taste. Salt to taste, and you don't need a lot because that garlic and pepper gave it a really good flavor on its own. And I mean, it's a masterpiece once you add the butter. That's my favorite style of rice to eat. This one is my favorite too. Our mom, hey, our pobrecita stories, you guys already know. Whenever we didn't have a lot to eat, my mom used to always use this recipe, and we love it till this day. Alright, so now that this is ready, I'm going to work on my cheese sauce real quick. Okay, I've shown you guys how to make cheese sauce. This is just a quick one, and like I mentioned to you guys, I always change it up. It's always slightly different, so let's start with a little bit of butter. Ooh, it's dancing! Woohoo! What in the world? I have no idea. It's doing the Zapateado. That's the Mexican dance. The foot dance. What the heck?
Girl, let me borrow that pan.
Girl, this is a magic. It knows cheese is going in, that's why. Okay. I turned off my pan in the back. Ooh, you know what? What happened? I think I burned that butter. Oh no, I didn't.
No, you did not.
I was gonna say, look, careful, because you guys can burn butter and it's not a good idea. Let me hurry up.
Yeah, because then we get distracted and start dancing, it's over.
I'm not doing that.
Well, okay. We burn the butter from dancing and getting distracted.
You see that, guys? I don't want the cheese sauce for my man to look like that. I'm gonna start over. It's okay to start over, okay?
Time for a new pan.
No, it's not. It was just that we were dancing.
He's back, everybody. Burnt butter gone. I will not.
Okay, we're ready, okay? Oh, I'm even bringing extra garlic. Let's do it. Get all those pieces in there.
You're not gonna let it do its dance?
No, I'm not gonna dance right now, okay? We're gonna stay focused. Okay. So while it's melting, I noticed that my pan's really hot for some reason today. I'm gonna go ahead and add my cream. Okay, so once your cream and your butter have combined well and it's warm, we're gonna go ahead and add our cheese. I have my heat on a medium-low. I don't want to burn anything. You guys already saw that. I mean, who isn't guilty of burning butter? Especially when you grow up using margarine. Like, you don't understand that concept till later in life.
I have yet to burn butter, but we will see. I'm gonna knock on some wood. I have burned other things, but not butter. I burned some really embarrassing things that I care not to talk about on this channel.
What did you burn?
Boiled eggs.
What? You can't burn boiled eggs?
Them. Yes, I can. I went in the shower. I thought I added enough water. I took a bath, did my thing, and then I smelled like some rotten eggs or something, and I jumped out and I saw that they were like those 100-year-old eggs. They were all brown.
Molly girl, you're in danger. What? That ain't right, Cloud.
Well, I still ate them.
You still ate them?
Yeah, salt and pepper and Tapatio.
You're a sick human, but I'm glad you weren't being wasteful.
They just tasted smoked. They didn't taste that burnt.
Guys, that's not Pixie clacking, it's me. Give me a second.
For once, it's not Pixie.
Seriously. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my cornstarch and water mixture and start mixing.
I noticed that your cheese was shredded.
Yes, I shredded myself.
Oh, okay, see, it was the block, but it was shredded.
I think she's hating, guys, because I always forget to tell you guys whether it was fresh or shredded. I shredded the cheese.
I want to know, too.
That's why it melts a lot better.
I want to know if there's some shortcuts that you know about that I don't know.
So now you have your nacho cheese. Hey. All right, now we're ready to assemble. So I'll see you in just a moment. Let's get ready for this. You want to lay your rice on the bottom. This piece wanted to come with me. All right, so now you're gonna add your chicken. Okay, so I'm putting my guacatillo. I'm about to open this, and I'm just hoping that there's no surprises in here. You guys think I'm gonna have a surprise?
Oh God.
Oh Lord. Ah, yes. We're in the clear for it.
These kids, girl, these kids.
Don't play, girl. There's some adults that do the nasty in there too.
Ew.
Alright.
Is that what gives it the
crunch.
crunch and the flavor?
Well, we've had burritos that like try to tell you that this tortilla is like hot Cheetos, but the flavor comes from this, so I'm excited.
Because it actually has hot Cheetos?
Yeah, you gotta have a good amount of hot Cheetos. You hear that crunch? All right, let's get ready for a good tasting. Oh yeah. You ready?
Oh babe, I'm
Taste
so
it,
excited.
babe. Taste it.
Okay. Mmm.
See, now you don't need to go to that spot to have your burrito anymore, do you?
No, babe. You hook it up always, boo. This is so freaking good.
I told you I can make it better.
This is amazing, boo. This freaking hot Cheetos tortilla is life.
You like it?
Life, boo.
Okay, enjoy, babe. Well, friends, that's how you make your man a good burrito. So he doesn't go anywhere to go buy it. Van a decir que celosa esa mujer.
Look at that goodness. Have it.
You're making all those yum noises that all the dogs came over here.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You were downplaying that. What are you playing?
You know we like it cheesy.
All right, friends, I want to thank you guys so much for joining us for our burrito session on that one. Make sure your notifications are on, that you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Adios.